Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of everyday essentials. Today, we're looking at the Dart 12J16 12 ounces foam cup, touted as one of the best options for your beverage needs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Dart 12J16 foam cup is designed for both hot and cold beverages, making it versatile for any occasion. It's insulated to keep your drinks at the right temperature and features a sturdy design that prevents leaks and ensures easy handling. First off, let's talk about its insulation. Whether you're sipping on a hot coffee or enjoying a refreshing iced tea, the Dart 12J16 maintains the ideal temperature without transferring heat to your hands. Made from high-quality foam, these cups are durable enough for everyday use. They feature a lip stack design that allows for easy separation, which is perfect for busy environments like offices, parties, or even at home. With a capacity of 12 ounces, these cups strike a balance between being compact yet sufficient for a decent serving size. They're also lightweight, which makes them easy to carry around without adding extra bulk. Whether you're planning a picnic, stocking up for office meetings, or simply looking for convenient drinkware at home, the Dart 12J16 cups fit the bill. They're also great for events like birthday parties or gatherings. Now, it's important to note that these cups are made from foam, so they're not recyclable in all areas. However, they are known for their low cost and reliability, which can be a significant factor for many consumers. While I won't delve into specific customer reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the value and performance of these cups. They consistently receive positive feedback for their functionality and affordability. Compared to similar products on the market, the Dart 12J16 stands out for its balance of price and quality. It competes well with other foam cup brands in terms of performance and availability. In conclusion, if you're looking for reliable 12 ounces foam cups that deliver on insulation, durability, and overall value, the Dart 12J16 is a solid choice. It's designed to meet your beverage needs without breaking the bank. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. See you next time.